Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to display your last name on LinkedIn using your PC, especially if you're adjusting to the platform's new update. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks, so let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon labeled Me. It's usually your profile picture. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your profile and privacy preferences. Now, within the settings, find the tab labeled Visibility. This section controls who can see different parts of your profile. Under Visibility, look for the option that says Who can see your last name. Click on it to open your choices. Here, you'll have options to control how your last name appears to others. To show your full last name, select the option that allows your name to be displayed with your last name fully visible. Once you've made your selection, LinkedIn will save your preference automatically. You can now exit the settings. To confirm the change, visit your profile and check how your name appears to others. Your last name should now be visible as you chose. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can control the visibility of your last name on LinkedIn and make sure your professional identity is presented exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your profile settings updated to match your privacy preferences.